city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of Ramadan, so day 5 for the vlog. I did skip yesterday. I didn't do much other than go to the mosque meeting and work on my work. So today we're going to be laser cutting the stuff for furniture, and I have my furniture class today, and I'm going to be editing and getting ready for my presentation for tomorrow. So I'll see you at school. Hey guys, so I'm about to be to school in 4 minutes. We're gonna go to the wood shop first. Actually, no, we're gonna go to the printing lab first to see if I could get it quickly cut. And then we're gonna go to the wood shop to see what I have to do to get that cut out. So I'll show you that when we get there. Bye. So I have this, the plexi, and mom has the wood. Okay guys, so it's gonna be about an hour until I can be able to cut the wood. So we're gonna go to the laser cutter workshop or lab now to get our acrylic cut. And it's just up and around that way. Laser cutters and the 3D printers. I'm gonna be using one, so I do have to turn it on, turn the computer on, turn this on.
I got 1,000 mile deep hole in my chest. My lungs can't take these weeks of holding my breath. Waiting for you to come back around and love me again. I'm in a haze, a walking cloud of distress. And I ain't safe from my own brain, I'm a mess. Waiting for you to come back around and love me again. Oh, I've been calling you just to justify my love, just to justify my love. Oh, I've been calling you, trying to justify my love, just to testify that I sleep in sorrow. If only tomorrow you love me again. I wonder who that nigga that's keeping you warm. I wonder if you still feel me in your core, or are you just fronting to even the score, like you don't love me no more? Oh, I've been calling you just to justify my love, just to justify my love. Oh, I've been calling you, trying to justify my love, just to testify that I sleep in this sorrow. If only tomorrow you love me again.
Okay guys, so it is done. So I'm gonna check and see if it got cut all the way through. I know that this one did. This one didn't. Okay, so higher power. Okay, I'm getting really annoyed.
You stay around, yeah, yeah. And when it's hard for me to breathe on,
So it's almost done printing. Whatever comes out is what I'm just gonna work with, because I'm kind of tired at this point. So it just got done.
through all the pain, that's my claim to fame.
like that's good that you kept this on.
Do better, who better, you better. Been around like hella, propellers. Wanna know who you with? Don't tell them. Come on, fellas, that ain't none of your biz. Got on your body too, you know I'm on your ass today. Would you let me hit it thrice if I asked today? She know my stick nothing but magic, babe. I be swinging it back and forth to you in your casket, babe. Girl, you on my best side. Say she from the west side. I do wanna know, I'm just sugarcoat. Say it all if you want. You could just tell me like it is. Pretty little fears. Use it to my ear. Okay, say it loud, say it proud. You want it more? We open door, hit the couch, then no floor. I cut it up like a scissor, love galore. She never bored. There's so much shit we can do. You free to say whatever, baby, if you asking me. No limit when I'm in it, got a masterpiece. I'm hoping I don't have a fast release. Got me focused like I'm out here trying to get my master seat. Going on the peace sign.
So I just got done cutting the wood. Is so huge. I'm going to go see, because it is after class, I'm going to go see if my professor is there to show him what I'm trying to do, and then I'm going to be leaving. Changed it.
Oh, so what do you want?
Instead of having it sit up, it's going to be like a lounge. So this is the back part, and that's going to be the legs. I'll show you the video of how.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I could make a series out of it. I could be a what is this thing called? A furniture designer.
Yeah.
I wanted to be an industrial designer on top of architecture. I like design.
I'm just sugarcoat. Say it all if you want. I could just tell me like it is. Pretty little fears.
So we are on the way to Auntie's house now. Took her. Well, we're gonna go pick up Caleb and then quickly put together this. We put together the dresser and go home, and hopefully, magically, it's time to break our fast by that time. Hey guys, so we are at Publix now. We're stopping to get some fruits and stuff so I can break my fast. For these days, I'm just gonna do light foods and stuff like that. Oh, it's my favorite helper, Caleb, and mom too. These are the two.
I can take the weight up off your shoulder blades and try to store the pain inside of me. Hey, why the world do you like that? Like they don't know you guys, and for me, I feel you like that. I'm sneaking glances, thanking God that he drew you like that. Beautiful black child, come and shed your black cloud for your vibe and your smile. I don't mind a little rain. I'm your dog, ears perk up at the sound of your name. Counting your man, wow, I can handle your flame. Down to the train, wow, I can join your flame. And shoot that red pill.
Why is the smaller one cheaper? I mean, more expensive. That's not 600. This is that, but that's not 600. Dang, where's the price at for it? They trying to get you. Go get one from the back. You always get from the back. Why can't be 2,000? We're looking for our drinks now. Do they have any? Oh, here they are. peaches. Peach one is so good. Take all these.
That's interesting. I like pineapple coconut. Stay hydrated. Coconut water.